Cheese. Cool.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't hide. No, I'll do it right. We got all night. I'll take you so high. Yeah.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I change it. Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow.
My kids are crying.
Feel like crying too.
No, yes, now. Guys, we just got back. I want to quickly shower, do like a quick. I don't know if I feel like I want to make up. I feel like making up will make me feel more serious today, and I want to be productive. This is the start of the month. Now that the kids are not around, I can literally film anywhere, and that's a good thing, right? I can't find my microphone, by the way. So now that they're not around, I could film anywhere, and I don't have to worry about them like screaming or coming to interrupt, which they used to, and they will, because they're kids. I have a couple of things I need to do, and the day just got started. I need to shower. I'm so tired and it's so cold. Ugh. So let me get ready. Ignore me, I know I look a little bit crazy, but I just remember that fringe has a vibe. I don't need to do anything too serious. I can look crazy, but I can have a fringe on and she will make me look put together. So I like how I look. I look clean. Like, you know when you have no makeup on, but you look put together. To do some productive stuff. I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick. And then, oh, I got myself a new phone, by the way. I think I've complained about this before. My screen has been blank for over a month. I've just been managing it. So I got myself a new phone. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do the unboxing, set it up, and grab something to eat, right?
I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase.
This is the Samsung S25. Let me get myself a microphone. So this is the Samsung S25 Ultra. My old phone is the S23 Ultra. I'm such a Samsung girly, but I feel like I might switch to iPhone this year. So I got myself a power adapter. But yeah, this is the phone. It's so cute. Let me give it its own moment and take myself out of the frame and do like a proper unboxing. This Samsung S25, but it's giving me iPhone. It's giving me like iPhone shape and everything. But I got the like gold and pink, kind of like I don't know what's called. Let me see if the name is here. Yeah, so it's like a pink gold. I got like a pink gold. Two of my favorite colors. I feel like this is just, it's giving champagne. It's giving different angles. You get different colors if you reflect it differently. But I like it. It's very subtle. It's not too in your face. One I had previously was like purple lilac color. So yeah, like this phone has shattered. I've tried. It has tried. But I'm gonna turn it on. Let me quickly charge it and then turn it on and then do the whole transfer. And then I want to see the video quality and see if it's really good. So let me just connect this here, and immediately I need to get a screen guard from Amazon because I don't trust myself and I don't trust my children, but it feels like it's more sturdy compared to the previous one that I had. But I'm so happy that I can finally see more than half of my screen, because tell me why I've been using this for over a month. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this back. Let me just pack all this back and look for something to eat. I feel like having spicy noodles, by the way. So we're going to do that. I feel like as a mom creator, right? In as much as I try to plan like my content, I try to plan like everything work related, I also need to plan everything, which is open. I need to plan everything like personal related. So things like food menu, for instance, breakfast menu, lunch menu, dinner menu, snack menu as well. I need to have everything dialed down. And because I just opened the fridge and I was kind of thinking like, what do I need and what can I eat ASAP? Mind you, the fridge is stocked. The fridge is stocked, but I don't know like where to start from. The steak like is fully stocked. I have like, just because I feel like it's not planned, I'm now a bit confused. So it's just like you want to create content, for instance. I don't know why I keep falling back to content creation. But it's like you want to create content, but like you've not planned the title, the script. You don't even know what you're going to talk about. And then the lights are on, the camera is on. Like, where do you start from? So like, I'm just thinking like, I plan all these things. I plan content, I plan everything. So that way, like everything is seamless. I should also apply that to my personal life and plan a meal, create like a meal plan. Today is just all about like planning. This new month, this is a new month. My house is so quiet, it's so weird. When I'm done eating, set up my phone, take all the new equipment upstairs to my studio space. And then I want to spend like 1 hour up there. I want to see what it's like. And then I want to take everything out of there and create a blank canvas. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and figure out what I'm going to eat. So I have some leftover ribs. I'm just gonna toss it in because why not? Just gonna add a little bit of it. So can I put my bowl in here? Yeah. And we're done. I have some carrots as well. I am going to fix myself up a cold drink. Take this upstairs. Guys, I just did my makeup, or I'm in the process of doing my makeup. Let me use that instead. I also need to migrate my phone or set it up. And I need to figure out what hair I'm gonna be using today. What version of Kelechi do I want to see? The blonde, the black? Since we can't decide if we want to be blonde or black, a little bit of both might just work. Literally using one layer. I want like a thin hold. Enough to hold it, but not enough to make it hard to take out. Just enough to get it to be secure and for the sides to be laid as well. So, well, it's not like I'm using this for days. Well, I like the hair now, even though I didn't style it the best, but this is what it looks like. Cold. I'm thinking like it's so cold outside. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this over my head just to keep myself warm a little bit. I don't know if I look crazy. Or if I look cute. This is my husband, by the way. I haven't gone shopping for any winter clothes or accessories since I came here. I feel I look good, but with the hat it looks weird. I don't know. I don't think there will be a need for the hat, so let me just put my hair down.
I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go fly away. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space.
Hey guys, so I'm ready. I'm about to go. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I have a 2 p.m. appointment for a house showing. I basically just want to kind of like tour houses here and see what's available, the price range, maybe even dabble in it, exploring, seeing what the layout is like, seeing what the accessories are like, getting inspired as well. So we're just going to kind of see and explore, and I'll probably put that in another video because it's already like 12 p.m. Let me confirm. Actually, it is 1 p.m. So yeah, productive morning is over. But yeah, this is what we look like. It's like a 10 minutes drive from here. So I'll be there before 1:30. About 1:30.